Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export print-ready PDF in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is open up your document, come to the top left, click on File, and then I want you to just hover over Export, and then click here on Export again. Now, from this pop-up, what I want you to do here on the left-hand panel, I want you to scroll down until you see PDF. I want you to go ahead and click on this. And then here I want you to click on PDF for print. And then after that, what I want you to do is come here, just scroll down, make sure the color space is set at CMYK. This is what normally the printers use. And then I want you to scroll down. And if you need to have printer marks, for example, crop marks, then I want you to make sure it is toggled on, or you could go ahead and toggle it off. So I have it toggled on, and then at the end, I want you to just go ahead and click on export. They will ask you to name this file. I'll just go ahead and name this sample print. Then we'll click here on save, and after that, we'll just go to our file explorer, and we just go ahead and refresh this. If we scroll down here under F, we should actually get that PDF, and I will go ahead and open it up in this browser. As you can see, here is our PDF. Now only printed one page right here. If you want to have more pages to print, then you just come back here and you just scroll down until you see this section which says area, and you make sure this is set to whole document as such, and then you go ahead and export that. But that is how to export print-ready PDF in Affinity Studio.